Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you my routine for cleaning my makeup brushes. Now I have a previous video on this and it is more geared towards like foundation brushes and brushes that you've used for a long time and you really need to like give a good cleaning to. But it's also possible that you just might want to do sort of like a spot cleaning on your eyeshadow brushes. And so this would be the case if you need to use them in a couple of hours. So you don't want to completely soak them in, soap and water or whatever. I have like a bunch of just like eyeshadow brushes that are dirty. What I do is I have like an old towel. So this is like a microfiber like kitchen or bathroom towel. And then they're all different brush cleaners. So I've had all different ones. This one is the Essence of Beauty. So I think this is from CVS. I've had the e.l.f. one. Younique has one. And they're all relatively similar. And I have found them all to be effective and just fine. So I'll link some of the ones that I, have liked below. But for this type of cleaning, I don't think it's, a huge deal. So what I do is, we lay the brush down, we give a couple of spritzes to the, you're trying to do it on sort of the end of the brush where most of the makeup is. And then you are just going to just kind of massage it in. And it is going to suds up a little bit. And you are just going to get rid of any of the product that was on there. And this is a good brush to show because this is a lighter color brush. So I just do that a couple times and then we are all clean. So then I just kind of reshape so that the bristles are in the shape that I want them to be so they dry that way. So I'm just kind of putting it like that. And that is it. And I will just do that for all of my brushes. And then in a couple of hours, they will be dry, they will smell nice, and the product that was on them will be gone. So obviously for like foundation brushes, like my bronzer brush, the ones that I use consistently every single day and that get a lot of product on them, those I would have to, I would prefer to do a regular wash of them, just because I think there's so much more product in them. But when it comes to eyeshadow brushes, I think this is a great way to clean them up and wash them. And it also preserves, because when it comes to like trying to make your brushes last as long as possible, you are trying not to get like the ferrule, so this part and like the upper part of it, it's not great to get it wet all the time. So, because that can just sort of like disintegrate the glue and cause it to shed sooner and just not last as long. So this is a great way to help like eyeshadow brushes in particular to last a little bit longer because you're doing like a less thorough cleaning. And these are for your personal ones, obviously, that you're using every day or, just trying to conserve and make them last longer. And again, in a couple hours, they will be dry and ready to go and ready to use. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching.